Dr. Stella starts now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. I am K. Shweta Kumari. Today, the topic of my presentation is all about animatronics. Introduction. The term animatronics defines combination of animation plus electronics. The word anima means life. Animatronics means illusion of life with electronic creatures. Animatronic is a machinized puppets. It may be programmed or remotely controlled. The animatronic may perform movements or it may be incredibly versatile. Electronics is used in doing programming of these animated creatures. It is done by controlling the voltage regulator. It is also done by the embedded microcontrollers. Let us move on to the history. This concept was developed from Disney Studio. The first used audio animatronics for the old Disney Tiki Room in Disneyland, which is open in 1963. Let us move on to the formation of animatronics. There are a lot of steps. We can say 6 main steps. First one is design process. Second is sculpting. Third is mold making. Fourth is armature fabrication. Fifth one is costuming. Final step is programming. Let's move on to the first process. First is the design process. During the design process, the client and the company developing the animatronics decide what the character will be, its appearance, total number of moves, quality of moves, and what each specific move will be, budget, timelines, etc. Second process is sculpting. This department mainly involves the converting two-dimensional ideas into the three-dimensional forms. This team can work from photos, artwork, videos, models, etc. Third is a mold making. This department creates the mold that will ultimately produce the character skins. Mold can be soft or hard, single or multi pieces, and resemble or non-resemble. After the mold is finished and cured, it is ready for skin making. Fourth is a armature fabrication. Each individual part requires a costume design and fabrication. Each of the robot's movement axis point must have an industrial rated bearing to provide action and long life. The technicians select these components carefully in order to ensure that durability and long life. Fifth is costuming. In this department, the output has allow for easy access to the characters operating mechanisms. It must all look normal after movement has taken place. The costume must be designed to provide hundreds and thousands of operations without wearing out and without casting the skin areas, that is around the neck, etc. The final step is programming. The programming is the final step, and some animations it is most rewarding. Programming can be done either at the manufacturing faculty or at the final installation site. In programming, all the individual moves are coordinated into complex animated actions, and it brings life. Make of animatronics used in Jurassic Park. Put it on paper, build a miniature models, build a full-size skeleton, create a mold and cause the body, build the animatric movements, put it all together, test it and work out any budget. These are some pictures of animatronic process. First one is we can put it on the
Can you
design.
make it big? Make it full screen.
First, we can sketch the put it on the paper. Next is put it together. Next, make the skin. Some of the applications of animatronics. Animatronics can be used in the entertainment area, used in creating special effects in movies, used in Disneyland, etc. Some of the advantages and disadvantages of animatronics. Advantages are gives the real life experience, used to make very large and complex real life animals, used to train soldiers for dangerous operations. It can be used to entertain kids. Disadvantages are it is very costly process. A lot of skilled process are required. Very complex process. It takes lots of time to build it. Next is a conclusion. The realistic creatures that it can create are amazing and is rewarding to its creators. With the animatronics entertainment world has got its own provenance.
Shweta, 1 minute. Minimize and tell me the conclusion. What you understand from this? Minimize the slide.
Okay, sir.
Minimize it.
Okay, sir.
Minimize means not that one. Use that one corner.
Okay, sir.
Still visible on the screen. Minimize it.
Minimizing, sir.
To minimize that. Tell me what to understand. Still, I'm seeing that PPT.
Now, sir.
Still, I'm visible. Okay, tell me. Let it be. Tell me what you understand from this.
The creating a good animatronic figure that is available to perform constantly without fail requirement.
How you make it a moving that motion? Because this is just a piece of paper, right? When you go for the animatronics. Are you
What, sir?
listening?
Yes, sir.
How you make a moving thing? Nothing but that created matrix can be moved. Nothing but is in the motion.
Yes, sir.
How you making that?
Controlling the voltage and regulator.
Regulator.
No, sir.
Okay. What kind of regulators you are going to use? See, when as you said that you given the example of Jurassic Park, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a dinosaurs. All did you see the Jurassic Park movie, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how it will be moved that dinosaur in that movie from one place to another place that moving, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how they will make that motion of that dinosaur?
Graphics, we can use a graphics also, sir.
Graphics also.
Background, background images, background we can create graphical effects.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Go for the methods. There are six stages are there,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Go for that slide.
Yes, sir.
Here only. There is an sculpting, you said, right? Department is responsible for converting two-dimensional idea into three-dimensional form. How they will do that, converting 2D to 3D? You know that, right? 2D means XY, 3D means XYZ.
Yes, sir.
Then where they will create the Z? How it will taking transformation?
We can give graphical effects also, sir.
Yes, I understand that graphical analysis. In graphical, how they will create that one third axis 3D form? I'm asking. Okay, that is the idea is different. I know that one. Did you know about that?
Little bit, sir.
Huh? How they will convert from 2D to 3D? 2D means two-dimensional means what I'm saying XY.
Yes, sir.
3D means XYZ. Okay.
Sir, first we can draw the papers. Next, we can build the.
We draw the paper, so that is 2D.
Yes,
From
sir.
paper to 3D,
Next
how they
we
will
can.
convert the model? How they will convert the model, 3D model?
Sir, I can. Sir, in this picture we can mod making.
Mod making, okay.
We can create a mod, sir. Then we can give
They are saying
the
they're molding it is.
electronic
They're
movements.
they're using molding there.
Yes, sir.
Then by the paper, how they will transfer from paper to molding mark? Molding means what you understand, right? Molding means how they will do molding. If they want to do any statue,
Yes, sir.
then they will put it some like mud, or they will do the sculpture, the like irons or any statues they need to do. It means they will mold it means they make a model, they will give the vacuum space of model, then they will put it into iron or any which type of they want. Or otherwise molding means like a, clay modeling, all those things we are doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that they're going to molding like that it is. Okay, so when we done that paper writing in 2D, I will draw a dinosaur in the paper in 2D.
Yes.
2D means paper. I will
Yes,
draw
sir.
sketch. That
Yes,
how
sir.
it will be converts. Eh?
We can design
See,
the.
go for the slide number 9. See, some person is in the beginning, they're going to write it, right?
Yes, sir.
They built, that is the 2D in the
Yes,
beginning.
sir.
Build 3D.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing the model right there? There is an dinosaur is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how they converted that paper model into that one? they're going to paste that paper wherever they want.
No, sir.
Then see that there's a real-time image, there it is.
We can create the statue.
Statue. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.